Of course there's a bird walking on the roof making a lot of noise when I'm saying hello. Hi guys. Episode 2 coming up of the... Ain't no bird. Episode 2 coming up of the bedside table build. I think when I edited, I think it was yesterday, I edited out something that I wanted to say, which was thanks to everyone who's subscribed recently. Amazing, past 250 subscribers on the YouTube channel, absolutely fantastic. Great comments, really enjoyed talking to everyone and finding out what you guys wanted to see me screw up next, and it's been really great. So episode 2 coming up of the bedside table, but I just wanted to say thanks to everyone and keep it coming, keep the comments coming, the ideas and any support always welcome. By support I mean comments, likes, subscriptions, hit the notification bell, all that sort of stuff. Sorry, it's really cold in here at the moment, I just got in here. So let's get cracking with the bedside table. And I can't think of anything else that I wanted to say, so I'll just shut up. Bedside table it is. So this is the first using of the jointer. Aside one piece that I just put through just to make sure. I didn't want to die on a video. Apparently I'm not going to die, so we can carry on, but I just wanted to make sure it was working and it wasn't going to kill me. As I said, I was a bit nervous about using it, so here it is. It's a Zipper ZIHB204. I haven't seen or hardly seen any other users, probably because I haven't looked properly, but doesn't seem to be many about. It was the only one around during lockdown, apart from the Dewalt, which I would have loved, but budget and all that. So we're going to give it a go for the sides, starting with the sides of the bedside table, and use the thicknesser afterwards and see how we do. As you know, I'm using mahogany, but it's pallet mahogany, and as you can see, you get what you pay for. It's crooked, it's cupped, it's not the same thickness. But hopefully this will help us out and at least get us somewhere near the ballpark we need to be in before sanding, etc. So let's go for it. It's going to be noisy. Trouble again. So that's fantastic. That's going to be such a time saver. There's not as much. I tried. I think I mentioned in another video. I tried the thicknesser when I got the machine. There was definitely snipe on both ends, and I need to work on either a jig or some intelligent way of avoiding that. But there's no snipe on this, or maybe, but very little. Nothing that won't come off with some sanding. So I'm just going to carry on now and do all the sides, so the faces of the sides of the bedside table. So I know that the view is terrible, but that wasn't really the point with this. It was getting the job done, so I'll definitely be showing that in a future video. So this is the first trial of the jointer version 2, so I just had to make sure it wasn't